Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showcasing my artist grid tool. Have you ever struggled with getting proportions right with your drawings? You sketch for hours but something just looks off. Today I'll be showing you a completely free tool that professional artists have been using for centuries now, and it's available online. The best part, there's no registrations, no download. So let's check it out. This is the free artist grid tool, a web-based application that lets you upload any reference photo and overlay a customizable grid instantly. Let's upload an image. The grid method is a time-tested technique where you break down a complex image into manageable squares. Instead of being overwhelmed by the whole picture, you just focus at one square at a time. This technique has been used by artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Chuck Close, and countless art students learning proportions and perspective. Let me show you how easy it is to use. This tool works with portraits, landscapes, still life images, anything you want to draw. And here's where it gets powerful because you could adjust the numbers of columns from 1 to 30 and the rows independently. So if you're working with a tall portrait or wide landscape, you can customize the grid to match your drawing surface perfectly. If you're not a fan of the color yellow, you could change the color to whatever you want for the grid. You can also adjust the line thickness from 1 to 5 pixels depending on your preferences and how close you are to the screen. You could also toggle the grid numbers. You'll see letters across the top and numbers down the side. Here's another one of my favorite features, the Enable Grayscale feature. Click this button and the image converts to black and white instantly. This is perfect for studying values and tones without being distracted by color. I also have the Show Full Screen or Enter Full Screen mode, which eliminates all the distractions and adds the image into full screen. You could also hide the sidebar by selecting here. Gives you that control. I have the link in the description, and I recommend you bookmark this page so you always have it handy from your browser. Now here is where I need your help. This tool is constantly being improved, and I want to hear from the artist community. Drop your suggestions in the comment below. I read every single comment, and the best ideas will be added to the tool. Again, thank you for watching.